Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix post you have liked option not showing on Instagram. So if you are not seeing or you are not finding the post you have liked option in your Instagram app, so here is the method by which you can see all the posts you have liked on Instagram previously. So first of all, open your Instagram app. So if you haven't updated your Instagram recently, just update your Instagram by going into Play Store and type here Instagram. In Play Store, type here Instagram. Now here you will see Instagram. So now what you have to do is just update it. So wait for it. Now updation is complete and it is installing in my phone. Now it is installed in my mobile. So now what I have to do is just click on open. Now when you click on open, you will see. So now what you have to do is just click on your profile pic here. Here at the bottom or top of your screen, click on three lines. And here you will see your activity option. Click on your activity, and now here you will see third option is interaction. Click on it, and here you will see likes. So all the posts which you have liked on your Instagram previously, it will be shown here. So like this you can see all the posts which you have liked. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like. Thanks for watching.